thanks for watching. So in today's video, we will be unboxing Boxycharm, the base box for August. And at the end of the video, I will do a quick review of July's items. Normally I do a try-on portion in my beauty boxes, the unboxing videos. I apologize, we won't be doing that today. I did try one item so I can give you first impressions on that. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, which I'm sure you do, it's a beauty subscription. This one costs $25 a month. If you are interested in subscribing, I will link Boxycharm down below. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here in our channel. So if you love beauty boxes and subscription boxes as much as I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We actually have a big giveaway going on right now for 10,000 subscribers. A big thank you to you all. So if you have not yet entered, I will link that video in a card at the end of this one so you can check it out after. But let's get started. So typical box. And I will leave the weight and dimensions on the screen and down below if you are waiting on your box and want to see if we're box twins. Let me open it up. This is what it looks like. So I guess the theme for the Boxycharm boxes this month is like glamping. I have variation number 3, and honestly I think this is the first time in like a year that I had a variation above like 40. So sneak peek. For Boxycharm, you get to customize one item for each box. So how about we start off with the item I customized. This is actually the one item I tried today, and I was so excited that this was an option. I think this was the first time I was thrilled with a Boxycharm choice in a while, and this is by Too Faced. It's their Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I have heard people rave about this concealer on YouTube forever. I received mine in the shade Pearl. So when I went to customize, there's a lot of shades already sold out. And look how dang big this concealer is. So you get, how much product in here? 15 milliliters. That's like half the size of a standard foundation. Normally, I think concealers are like 8 ml normally. I know like Tarte Shape Tape is considered big, and that's 10 milliliters. So you get a lot of product in here. And I did use it under my eyes today and on some blemishes I have. And I do think it might be like a little dark. I wish I got one shade lighter, and it's a little yellow, but I feel like I made it work. Like, it's not super brightening since it's around my skin tone, maybe a little bit of a different undertone though, but I am excited to have this. So first impressions, I do like it. It's good coverage, and it doesn't seem to be emphasizing my lines any more than usual. Like, I have lines under my eyes. They're not going away no matter what concealer, you know, I wear. They're gonna be there. So this product is $29, so more than the box itself. Next up, we have something by Mud Masky Specialized Series. I've never heard of this brand before. This is the Blue Light Protection Mask. It helps shield harmful, high energy, visible blue light from laptops, smartphones, television, LED, and computer screens. So how does that work if it's just a mask? Like, I can like imagine leave-on products helping you with that. That says, yeah, you just, oh, you leave it on. So it's not really a mask. It says wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, and leave the face mask on during the day. Doesn't that sound more like a moisturizer? I'm a little intrigued by this. Have you guys tried this or anything like it? This is $54. That's expensive. It says it also prevents premature skin aging, so I could use some help with that. But I'm skeptical. And like, do you still use a moisturizer? Like, it doesn't really say anything about how you use it like with your other skincare, like if it's the last step or what. So I'd have to look into this more, but if you guys have any information, please let us know in the comment section. Next up, we have something by Elizabeth Mott. This is Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. This is $20. It says this cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. I have so many eyeshadow primers, so I probably will pass this one on, because right now I've been trying to work through like the MAC Painterly Paint Pot because it's not cruelty-free, and that'll take me forever, and I have multiple other tubes. So it is cute packaging. yeah, eyeshadow primer, at least for me, lasts a long time. So I don't mind that it's in the box. I just personally do not need another primer. Next up is something by Clarins, which unfortunately I do not consider to be cruelty-free, so this is another item I will definitely be passing on. It's their 01 Velvet Lip Perfector. And this is in the shade Velvet Nude. And this is $26. Has a matte finish, weightless mousse texture, and delivers highly pigmented velvety finish with a soft blur effect. I mean, it sounds nice, and if this is the color, that'd be a nice nude. I'm not going to swatch it again because I will be passing this along. I don't think we've gotten Clarins in a box in a while, or ever. And the last thing in here is a palette, and this is by Butter London. It's the Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. Says, indulge in a little rebellious decadence with this high-fashion 9-piece eyeshadow palette that pays homage to the Teddy Boys of the 1950s British Underground. And this has a retail value of $28. Oh, it's cool how it opens. Let's see. There's a protector. So it's cool toned. Let's remove this for a second. I watched Kathleen White's video and she tried this palette on. Her eye look was really pretty. One of my friends asked me if I did get this in my box if they could buy this for me, and I have so many eyeshadow palettes and it does look beautiful. And I could probably find these colors in my collection, so I'm gonna give it to my friend, but I do think this is cute. I know the other option was to get the Violet Voss Essentials too. I was kind of hoping for that. I really do like Violet Voss's formula, but that's okay. But that was everything. So not my favorite Boxycharm, but I don't think it like sucks. Honestly, what makes it for me is being able to try this Too Faced concealer. Even though it might not be like my ideal shade, I feel like I was able to make it work. But I don't know, you guys let me know. Can you tell like with my under eyes, do they look yellow or dark or anything like that? And have you guys tried this? Because I think this will last forever, and I've been looking for a good concealer. I have several in my collection now, but I don't love any of them, and honestly the shades of them aren't the best. Well, okay, I take that back. I do like my Janson concealers, but yeah. So this is definitely my favorite product. I will for sure be handing, like, I don't know what I'll do with these two. And I give this to a friend, so I don't think, you know, that makes me happy to make someone else's day and make them happy. And this mask, I don't know. So honestly, I think the only thing I'm for sure gonna keep and love is this concealer, but at least it's $29 and more than the box itself. So yeah, I don't know. This makes me happy, so I'm happy. But now let's transition into a quick review of last month. So last month's theme was sunshine. I don't even know why I say the theme because I don't know if it ever really makes sense with the products we get. But I thought it was a pretty good box. I did get a broken palette. I don't have everything in front of me, but I'll throw a picture up on the screen. I did take photos in preparation for my July beauty box ranking video, which I still have yet to do. I'm sorry guys, look out for that soon though. I'm hoping to get some filming done today. I haven't filmed in like a week. You guys don't know that because I had pre-filmed stuff, but yeah. So I did get a broken palette. Well, only one shade was broken. It was the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette, and it was like a black shimmery shade. I probably wouldn't have gotten too much use out of, but it did like get all over the palette, which is a bummer. The palette's pretty, it's okay. And the other thing I don't have in front of me, or I'm not keeping, is by Clean Skin Club. It's the Vitamin C Brightening Booster. I heard great things about it. I just have so much skincare. You guys know that, so I decided to pass it on to someone that could use it more. We got a Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. I do like this. I kind of forgot what I thought, so I used it today, and I do think it really like helped like sink in like my powder products and look more natural on the face. I'm not sure it really extends my makeup wear. I haven't really tested that, but it smells nice. The mist is great, so I will continue using this, and I'm happy to have it. My favorite thing that I got, which was a surprise actually, is by Touch in Sol, and it's a glassy skin balm. So at first I was like, I do not need another primer, you know, whatever. Most primers, I don't really know if they even do much, but this is great. It's like, makes your skin like so moisturized and soft, and everything you put on top of it, like any foundation I've tried with it, just makes it look even more flawless. I'm acting like I always look flawless, but it makes the application flawless, and I just love this stuff. And I've talked to a lot of you guys, you love it too, so this was definitely my favorite item from July. And then we got Color Switch. This is by Lavish, and I have been using this. I also have a Veramoda color switch, and I think that is a little bit higher quality and I like it better, but this does the job. So when I need to clean one, you know, I have another, so I was happy to get this. And that was everything from last month. So I think last month was pretty good. I guess I kept more things than I'll likely keep this month, but stay tuned. Maybe I'll keep more of these things and try them out. And as always, I will review it in the September video. That's crazy. I can't believe it's already September. I say this every single month. I know it's annoying, but I don't know about you guys. Time is flying and I don't even know what I've been doing. But anyways, that was it for today's video. I know it was really quick, and again, I apologize for not doing a try-on portion. There just really wasn't much to try on, and to be honest, I'm kind of in a hurry because I have plans in like 15 minutes. But anyways, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much. Thank you so much to our channel members. Your support means the world to me, and just for being here and watching, thank you so much. That really does mean a lot and helps me out. Please leave a comment down below letting me know what you got in your Boxycharm. If you like what I got in mine, are we box twins? I'd love to chat with you guys. And yeah, that's it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.